I'm not ready to be called. I am Matthew. I am Matthew. Matthew, stop that. You've been doing that since you get here. Yeah, and that wouldn't let me go. No. Guys, Mr. Gulag is coming. Everyone back to their seats. I hope we're ready. Wait, where is Emily? Just shut up. Okay, class, I'm here. Okay, before we get to our lesson, we're going to have an attendance. Let me get my attendance book. Here we go. Is Matthew here? Here, teacher. Okay, is Ryan here? Here, teacher. And now we have John. Here, teacher. Okay, now we have Vanessa. Here, teacher. So you know what? And lastly, Amelia. What did Mr. Gulag say again? He says that, where are you? Oh, okay. Here, Mr. Gulag. Okay, let's start our lesson. Let me get my lesson book. No. Okay, I'm back. I have a question. What is it, teacher? Yeah, what it is. Where is your classmate, Emily? Yeah, I've been asking that. But all I hear is shut up. I guess we have to wait until Emily is here. Aww. 5 minutes later. Bye, Mom. Love you, sweetie. I'm here, guys. Hey, Emily, you're back. Emily, we've been waiting for you since 30 minutes. Yeah, you're so slow. Never mind. Now back to our lesson. Tinini, tini, tini, tinini, tinini,